organized today. 1st of March 2025. It's only Unikkotie, one moving and three staircase way. It's just from the staircase as well. Has the fan sounds also. It's built in 1990, probably like 1966 and the capacity is 325 rooms. Finished by 1990, 5 floors. It has beautiful wooden doors.
Yeah.
Which is a bit rare.
Yeah.
But also the gap gonna be wooden.
Yeah, of course. It's
No, we
big
could
like
take
you asked them to maintain by Kone.
We can do a second one.
Yeah.
He didn't. Yeah, it's in Pukinmäki box about Helsinki as first also in Finland. I like the sounds as well here.
It's the same here.
That's it. Thanks so much.
That's